Speaking of the Olympics, is it just me, or would you say in the last 20 years, by and large, everyone's interest of watching the Olympics has dramatically dropped?
Yeah, I think that's probably pretty fair to say. Some people are into it, but I just, I'm not super. I don't care.
I feel like
too
the
much.
people that are into it, and the people that aren't just aren't.
I think that's right.
Like anything else, you can get caught up and get excited about it, especially as like a younger person, and then over time that dwindles, and you start looking around and going, "Why are we still watching this?"
It's tough to muster excitement for a sport that I didn't know existed until 20 minutes ago.
Right.
Exactly.
You know, somebody's like, you know, we're going out to watch the skeleton today, and you're like, what the hell's the skeleton?
Right.
That is wild, though.
Yeah, I know. That was actually pretty exciting, but you take
I would like to try some of them.
Yeah.
They look like fun.
For sure. I want to get my hands on some stones and go curling.
Right?
You know what I like? I like the kind of like either the cheating scandals or the like or like rule bending scandals.
Oh, like the guy that was like fingering the stone on the curling events?
Yeah.
Did
you see those? Like he was getting heated.
Yeah.
I know.
Well, we were having this discussion in our beer league hockey locker room. Apparently, curling is self-refereed.
Oh, really?
Yeah, meaning that it's the players are the ones that are like calling the game and calling the rules and stuff like that.
Oh, interesting.
That's why it was getting so heated.
Okay.
Well, that seems like a mistake on the Olympic committee there. You need impartial referees.
Well, see, that's where I don't know if they step in and do that.
Yeah, I wonder. Well, I don't know what the format is either. Like, are all the teams out at once? So
no, you get like, I think it's like a round robin. You kind of get paired kind of thing.
Okay.
Oh, you're saying if they're like multiple lanes playing at the same time.
Like if Canada and US are playing, is Finland in there refereeing for them?
Exactly. You know, are Finland and China off to the side and like, oh, look, Canada's cheating or something like that.